Hello friends, in this video we will discuss one case study questions on matrix. Basically the question will be based on matrix multiplication. So the question is like this. The sales figure of two car dealers during February 2020 showed that dealer A sold 8 deluxe cars, 7 premium cars and 6 standard cars. Whereas dealer B sold 10 deluxe cars, 5 premium cars and 7 standard cars. Because of the pandemic situation of coronavirus, the country had announces a lockdown in the country from March 2020 to May 2020. Total sales over the 3 months period from March 2020 to May 2020 revealed that dealer A sold 5 deluxe cars, 3 premium cars and 4 standard cars. And in the same 3 months period, the dealer B sold 7 deluxe cars, 2 premium cars and 3 standard cars. In the month of February, the cost of the cars was 9 lakhs, 7 lakhs and 4 lakhs respectively. Because of the pandemic, everyone was locked at their homes, so slowly the demand of cars in the market slows down. The car dealers rethink their market strategy and start selling their cars with a reduction rate. The dealer A reduced the selling price of cars by 10% on each car type, and dealer B reduced the selling price of deluxe car by 5%, premium cars by 10% and did not reduction in standard cars. That means if we collect the information for dealer A during February, dealer A sold 8 deluxe cars, 7 premium cars and 6 standard cars. And dealer B sold 10 deluxe cars. This is the data for February month. 5 premium cars and 7 standard cars. The cost during February is given like this. For deluxe car it is 9 lakhs. For premium cars it is 7 lakhs. And for standard cars it is 4 lakhs. This is the cost for both dealer A and dealer B during February month. And after reduction, that means in the 3 month period from March to May, the production is like this. Dealer A sold during the 3 months period, dealer A sold 5 deluxe cars, 3 premium cars and 4 standard cars. Whereas for dealer B sold 7 deluxe cars, 2 premium cars and 3 standard cars. And the cost during the pandemic period is like this. 10% reduction for dealer A on each type of cars. That means initially it was 9 lakhs. Now it will be 10% reduction, means 90,000 will be minus. That's why it will be 8.1 lakhs. Similarly for this it will be 6.3 lakhs and for this it will be 3.6 lakhs. Again the price for dealer B is reduction by 5% on deluxe cars, means the cost will be 8.55 lakhs for deluxe cars, 6.3 lakhs for premium cars and 4 lakhs for standard cars. So this is the data what we obtained from this question. Now we will solve the answers. Summarize sales data for February 2020 in matrix form. In February, the dealer A and dealer B sold the cars like this. Suppose this is our deluxe cars, this is premium cars, and this is standard cars. So the data is given like this. For dealer A, the amount sold is 8, 7 and 6. 8 deluxe cars, 7 premium cars and 6 standard cars. Similarly, for dealer B, it was 10, 5 and 7. 10 deluxe cars, 5 premium cars and 7 standard cars. So this is the data during the month of February in matrix form. Now comes to the second one. Summarize sales data for 3 months period in matrix form. 3 months period means during the pandemic period, that is from March to May. So the data is like this. Deluxe cars, premium cars and standard cars. So for dealer A, it is 534. This is the sales in the pandemic period. 534 and 723. Now comes to question number 3. How much money the dealers collected by selling their cars in February 2020? So here we can find individually or we can find as a whole. For example, I am taking both at a time. 8, 7, 6, 10, 5, 7 means what? 8, 7, 6 are the cars respectively for dealer A and 10, 5, 7 are the cars respectively for dealer B. And in February, the cost was same for both the dealers, that is 9, 7 and 4. 9 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 4 lakhs respectively. This is a matrix of order 2 by 3 and this is a matrix of order 3 by 1. Hence, answer will be a matrix of order 2 by 1. Now, we will take the matrix multiplication. We know the procedure. 8 into 9 plus 7 into 7 plus 6 into 4. Answer will be 145 lakhs. Similarly, for dealer B, 10 into 9 plus 5 into 7 plus 7 into 4, it will be 153 lakhs. So, total money is 145 plus 153, that is 298 lakhs. Now we will go to the question number 4. Represent the answer you got in 3 by matrix form. Already I have explained everything in bit 3. Whatever you have written here, this should be here. In matrix form, we have to write the data, means this we have to write here. This is the answer in matrix form. Now comes to question number 5. How much money the dealers collected by selling their cars in the pandemic period? Means here we have to find out the total price for the pandemic period, that is from March to May 2020 for 3 months period. Okay. Since here the rate is different for both the dealers, for dealer A, the rate is something different, 8.1 lakhs, 6.3 and 3.6 lakhs respectively, and for dealer B, the rate is 8.55 lakhs, 6.3 lakhs and 4 lakhs respectively. That means we can't find the answer directly by taking both the dealers at a once. We have to find individually. So for dealer A, the amount the cars sold is 534, means 5 deluxe cars, 3 premium cars and 4 standard cars. The rate, as I discussed earlier, is 8.1, 6.3 and 3.6. This is a matrix of order 1 by 3. This is a matrix of order 3 by 1. The answer will be a matrix of order 1 by 1. So 5 into 8.1 plus 3 into 6.3 plus 4 into 3.6. Answer will be 73.8 lakhs. Similarly, for dealer B, the cars sold was 723, means 7 deluxe cars, 2 premium cars and 3 standard cars, and the Rate is 8.55, 6.3 lakhs and 4 lakhs respectively. This is a matrix of order 1 by 3 and this is a matrix of order 3 by 1. Hence, if you multiply, you will get a matrix of order 1 by 1 and that will be 84.45 lakhs. So, the total cost is for both dealer A and dealer B, that is 73.8 plus 84.45, which is equals to 158.25 lakhs. So this is just one example of case study questions on matrix. In my next video, I will discuss some more questions on probability. Thank you.